Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to look at the Studio Web feature in UiPath. So Studio Web is a web-based interface for UiPath, which is a leading provider for RPA technology. It allows users to design, develop and deploy automation projects without having to install UiPath Studio. Yes, you've heard it right. Without having to install the UiPath Studio on their local machines. So one of the key benefits that we have seen about UiPath Studio Web it is that it can be accessed from any device with an internet connection, making it convenient for the teams to collaborate on projects remotely. So it means it can allow for easy onboarding of new team members as they can simply log into the platform and start working without having to install any additional software. It has some built-in code editor and debugging tools which helps to understand and troubleshoot any issues that may arise during the development process. So if I have to say one thing about the Studio Web in overall, I must say that it is a powerful platform that offers a range of features and tools to support the design, development and deployment of the automation projects. A little more information can be seen in the article that I've written about the UiPath Studio. So first what we have to do is we have to get into the UiPath Automation Cloud. Once we get there, we can see the option of Studio in the left hand side panel. We'll click on that. So once we get into the UiPath Studio, there will be a new page that will be open. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, there's projects here which are you can start creating a new project by clicking here, or if you have already created, you can go here. You have the automations that is present here, so you get to know what exactly you have done. And about the connections, like there are several connections when you work with the UiPath Studio. So right now we don't have any, and you have an import project option. If you already have a project zip file that you have into your device, you can just click the option of import Studio Web project and continue with your work. So we will demonstrate here a simple solution, a simple thing that we have. Now if I click on new project, I'll name it as new automation. I want to keep the start of the automation manually. I'll click on create. When we go inside, we see a different number of options. We have the undo and redo option, we have the run option, we have run step by step option, and of course we can publish the automation that we have done. So by taking a set variable activity, we can create a variable. In this we can see the value where we can give the value for the variable that we are assigning. And in this section, if I click on the plus icon, we have use variable and save as variable. If I click on save as variable, we get to create the variable. Let's say number. The scope should be global and type should be number. So this is how we have created, and we will assign the value as 30 here. Next we will take an if condition to check if that number is greater than the value that we have assigned. Okay, so in the if block, if I click on condition, a pop-up comes in the name of condition builder. Here we will give the variable that we have already created by using use variable, which is int numbers, and the condition as greater than 25. Let's save it. So in the then block, if we click on the add activity, we can check it by taking log message. So in the log message, I'll give the message number is greater and the log level as info. And again, I have to take the log message. So what I can do is if I click on these three dots, choose the copy option, and here it already gives you that we can insert the activity that we have copied. So just click on insert. A slight change that we have to do here is change the message. Okay, so this is how we have done. I'll click on the run option. The status right now you can see is running. It will go through every activity and give you the results in the right hand side box. So this is how it is done if we click on the run. If I click on the run step by step, it will go through each step. You can stop it at any point, continue till the end, or by if you want to go step by step, just click the next step. It will go on in every activity and check until it is succeeded. So the status succeeded that you have been seeing here. So this is how an automation is made in the web studio. This was a simple and easy automation that I did just to check for the numbers. Just like that, any person who is new or who is experienced, so that any person can do any kind of automation here. This was a demo to show that this is kind of an easy automation and an ease for developers to do if they choose the web studio part. Thank you.